Aquarium Monster, chilling with, you already know.
Aquarium Co-op. Got a squad up.
Yeah, baby. Peace. Feet of the Oscars, AQUARIUMs, and all these guys. So go check it out, man. The albino arowana, my favorite, y'all. I love these guys, as you guys know. I like these guys right here, man. I like these green guys, man. These green silver dollars are exclusive. They wildin' though, they want a little too much for them though. Crystal red mammoths. Crystal red mammoth, the one and only platinum parrot. Platinum parrot, y'all, rare. Only one right here, baby. Monsters Aquarium. What do you guys think? $350, y'all. Sold. They were full color. They were green, nice, like at least 3 inches. What up, my brothers and sisters? Welcome to Aquarium Monster. And right here I have some orange Riley acclimating in here. I'm excited about these shrimps that I was able to pick up. What do you guys think? Y'all leave a comment. Look at these sexy guys. I'm gonna try to focus on them a little bit better. I'm excited about these guys. Have some great color on them. Picked them up from Monsters Aquarium. They're going inside. Look, all-in-one aquascape setup right here, y'all. So stay tuned for them. Beautiful guys right here. Orange Rileys. These guys are awesome. Picked up this beautiful little albino bicher right here. A little beautiful small guy to raise. Throw him in here with these beautiful albino Geo Vegas. So I'm excited about this guy, y'all. Picked up these 4 baby beautiful koi angelfish to raise out here because while I was out there in Dallas, I lost my 4. They got tore up. So I picked up these small guys and I'm going to raise over here in this tank. I'm excited about these little guys. These guys are nice. Really excited about these guys. I picked up these beautiful wide bar silver dollars. Beautiful guys right here. Can't wait for them to grow out. And I picked up that beautiful leopard spotted leaf African fish right there. African leaf fish with the leopard spotted version. Beautiful guys. I'm excited to grow these guys in here, so stay tuned, y'all. Squad up. Last but not least, y'all, I picked up these beautiful crystal black shrimps, y'all. Sorry for the glare and the focus, but these guys are beautiful. The feet of the Oscars, Al Wands, and all these guys, so come check it out, man.